Good morning, all of you. Myself Dharmen sir, and the most welcome once again in DSS online English class. Students, as we know that one of the first chapter is going on here, and the name of the chapter, the best Christmas present in the world. And I have explained the part one, and I hope so that you got the complete meaning and the sense that what is the theme of the chapter. Now I am going to explain the part 2 of the same chapter, when the soldier, which name was Macpherson, write his own feeling to his dearest wife, which name mentioned here as Connie, and what he had failed there during the war, that he want to explain with his wife. So he write a letter, and the letter which was found by the narrator in the roll top desk, the drawer inside. Have you got no sense? मिस जो वो रोल टॉप डेस्क था, उसके से जो एक सेक्रेट ड्रॉयर था, उस ड्रॉयर में से जो टीन बॉक्स निकला था, उस टीन बॉक्स में जो लेटर था, वो लेटर कौन सा लेटर था? वो लेटर द सेम लेटर दैट वाज रिटन बाय द Macpherson during the war time to his wife, dearest Connie. But it is unfortunate that the letter didn't receive on that occasion, and it was received lately after long time. So what happened and what he wrote in the letter, we are going to discuss. So student, listen carefully what is mentioned in the letter. Dearest Connie, he writes in the letter that, dearest Connie, I write to you in a much happier frame of mind. I write to you in a much happier frame of mind, because something wonderful has just happened that I must tell you about at once. That means he want to express his joyful event, which is happened just the same time, and he want to share his feeling to his wife. So he write in a much frame of mind, happier frame of mind. That means in a very pleasant mood. वो बहुत ही pleasant mood में अपनी उस feeling को तुरंत अपनी wife को बताना चाहता है, जो कि उसके साथ हुआ था. What happened with him? We were all standing in our trenches yesterday morning. We were all standing in our trenches yesterday morning, the Christmas morning. It was a Christmas morning, and all the soldiers were standing in their trenches. Trenches means it is the old track to fight with the enemies. That means ये एक पुराना तरीका है जो enemies से लड़ने का. That means क्या होता था कि they made ditches in the ground, and they hide themselves in that ditches, and from there they used to shoot on the enemies. That means वो क्या करते थे ना, जमीन में वो एक गड्ढे बना लेते थे, और उस गड्ढों में छुप कर वार किया करते थे. It was the very clever trick on that time when the First World War was running, and this was the very useful. ये एक बहुत ही यूजफुल वे था फाइट करने का, लड़ने का, क्योंकि ट्रेंचेस में जो गोलियां थी वो दिखते नहीं थे जो सोल्जर होते थे, और वो छुपकर एक दूसरे से लड़ाइयाँ करते रहते थे. तो ये क्या थे, अपने अपने ट्रेंचेस में छिपे हुए थे. इट वॉज क्रिस्प एंड क्वाइट ऑल अबाउट, एंड द वेदर हियर he want to express something about the weather. The weather was crisp. That means whole morning. That means it was a winter morning, and quite all about. And it's obvious that in a winter, all the person try to hide themselves in a sacred place. So देयर वर ऑल क्वाइट एवरीवेयर, मीन्स चारों तरफ शांति ही शांति थी. As beautiful morning as I have ever seen, and the morning was very quiet and very pleasant. That narrator explained here that I have never seen such a beautiful and pleasant morning ever in my life, as cold and frosty as a Christmas morning should be. And it was very frosty and pleasant morning that a Christmas morning should be. मीन्स ये समय, ये मॉर्निंग जो थी उतनी सुंदर थी, उतनी अच्छी थी जैसे कि एक क्रिसमस की मॉर्निंग होनी चाहिए. Should I like to able to tell you that we begin it? Should I like to able to tell you that we begin it? Here he also want to express that what the happening, it is started by himself, but it was not quite sure. ये कहना चाहता है कि जो चीज़ आगे हुआ ना उसकी शुरुआत हमने की थी, बट वो क्वाइट श्योर नहीं कि इसकी शुरुआत हमने ही की थी. बट द ट्रूथ आई एम अशेम्ड टू से दैट इज दैट फ्रिज बिगिन इट. लेकिन मैं इस बात से शर्मिंदा हूं कि मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि शायद इसकी शुरुआत उस फ्रिज सोल्जर द्वारा की गई थी. किसके द्वारा की गई थी? उस फ्रिज सोल्जर के द्वारा की गई थी. First, someone saw a white flag waving in the trenches opposite. First, someone appears to waving a white flag trenches opposite side. मतलब ये था कि सबसे पहले उस ट्रेंचेस से, अपोजिट ट्रेंचेस से एक पर्सन वाइट फ्लैग को वेव करते हुए निकला. Then they were calling out to us from across no man's land, Happy Christmas, Tommy. And then he said, Tommy, Happy Christmas, Tommy here, a common English name used to hear for the British soldier. Tommy here they use to symbolize to a British soldier. So he said that, Happy Christmas, Tommy. दैट मीन जो अपोजिट पर्सन था ना वो क्या करता, क्रिसमस विश कर रहा था. हैप्पी क्रिसमस. व्हेन वी हैड गॉट ओवर द सरप्राइज समवन अस शाउटेड बैक, सेम टू यू फ्रिज. तभी एक दूसरे ने भी कहा कि सेम टू यू फ्रिज, सेम टू यू. आई थॉट दैट वुड बी दैट, वी ऑल डिड. बट देन सडनली वन ऑफ देम वॉज अप देयर इन अ great coat and waving a white flag. अचानक एक और ओवरकोट, ग्रे ओवरकोट में एक पर्सन था, एंड ही डिड द सेम थिंग्स, दैट ही ऑल्सो ग्रीटेड अस विद द सेम और विद द वर्ड्स हैप्पी क्रिसमस. Don't shoot, lads. And also he mentioned words that don't shoot, lads. Don't shoot, lads means उसने क्या बोला? उसने बोला शूट मत करना, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू सेलिब्रेट क्रिसमस विद यू, सो डोंट शूट. lads here means the soldier. Someone shouted and no one did, and we did the same. That means उसने कहा कि शूट मत करना और हमने शूट भी नहीं किया. Then there was another freeze up on the parapet and another. Then one of the French soldier also came out and stood on a parapet. Parapet here means the top of a hiding place. जिस हाइडिंग प्लेस पे वो थे ना उसके ऊपर जो टॉप प्लेस बनी हुई थी, जैसे कुछ जो सोल्जर्स होते हैं ना वो अपने सामने क्या करते हैं, कुछ चीज़ों को जैसे बड़े बड़े ब्रिक्स होते हैं या स्टोन्स होते हैं, इनको सामने रख लेते हैं और फिर उससे अपने आप को हाइड करते हैं. एंड जस्ट दे फायर जस्ट बिसाइड देम, वो उसके पीछे से ही क्या करते हैं, फायर करते हैं. तो वो सोल्जर क्या होता है ना उस पैरापेट के ऊपर चढ़ जाता है. Then another, the second soldier also came on a parapet. Keep your hands down, I told the man. It's a trick, but it wasn't. Then the German soldier said that, keep your hands down because it may be a trick from the frizz. So don't to be so formal. It may be a trick. trick, but it wasn't. But reality, it wasn't a trick. वो कहता है कि मत ऐसा करो, हो सकता है कि ये ट्रिक हो, बट ऐसा ये कुछ था नहीं, ये ट्रिक था नहीं. One of a German was waving a bottle above his head. Then one of a German soldier came out with a bottle on his head. तभी एक जर्मन क्या होता है, अपने सर पर एक बॉटल लिए हुए सामने आता है. It's a Christmas day, Tommy, and said to the Tommy, that British army that, or the German army that, Happy Christmas, Tommy. It's a Christmas day. We have snaps. It is a snaps. We have a snap. Means we have a snap. Snaps here means a bottle which full of liquor. शराब की एक बॉटल होती है जिसको स्नैप्स बोला जाता है. We have sauces and we have sauces too. We meet you. Yes. By this time there were dozens of them walking toward us across no man's land and not a rifle between them. And after this, a dozens of soldiers appears to coming toward us without rifles. That means इसके बाद क्या हुए, दर्जनों सोल्जर्स नो मैंस लैंड की ओर आना शुरू कर दिया. उनके हाथ में कोई राइफल नहीं थी. इससे ये ऑब्वियस था कि इट वाजंट अ ट्रिक. Little Private Morris was first up. Come on, boys. What are you waiting for? Then Little Private Morris. That means जो नरेटर वो कहता है कि जो जर्मन सोल्जर थे, सॉरी जो ब्रिटिश सोल्जर थे, इन्होंने भी क्या बोला, इन्होंने भी बोला कि what are you waiting for? Now be a formal. Let's celebrate. What are you waiting for? And then there was no stopping them. इसके बाद तो कोई रुका नहीं, सब के सब निकल पड़े सेलिब्रेट करने को. I was the officer. I shouted, have stopped them there and then. I was the officer. And he said that, stop them there and then. मतलब उन्हें वहीं रोको. Then and there, that means a phrase. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? Then and there, वहीं पे जहाँ पे हैं, वहीं रोक दो. I suppose, but the truth is that it never even occurred to me, should I? All along their line and ours, I could see men walking slowly toward one another, grey coats, khaki coats, meeting in a middle. And then I saw that grey coat and khaki coat begin to meet to one another. That means they were formal to each other and they were eager to celebrate Christmas. And I was one of them. I was part of this. In the middle of the war, we were making peace. And I was also one of them. And we were making the peace middle in the war. That means, student, here he want to give us a message that middle of the war, they celebrate, they wanted to celebrate the Christmas day of forgetting all the duties and all the enemies or all the problems which were going between two countries, and in spite of these hassles and puzzles, they tried to make the moment a peaceful moment and a happy moment. So student, I hope so. From here it has been clear, and if there is any doubt you can ask me. Thank you.